gonna have a surprise for you. Something different. What will grow in this stuff? I think there's going to be enough.
Good.
This is my homemade dump bed. This is a bed off of a utility vehicle at the golf course that's just worn out, rusted. And I always hate the thought of rock or dirt falling off of a trailer hauling it. So I'm able to put what I need in here, it not be overly full and overloaded. Put the tailgate up on it. Come home, I unhook it from the truck, and I hook these safety chains to the bucket of the tractor and start raising the trailer up, and say open up the tailgate and let a lot of it fall. Let gravity do most of the work rather than me do most of the work, and it worked pretty good. So we're gonna get this ready and show you what's gonna go in. This is what is getting ready to go in the ground of what looks like garbage material. This is up in a mound. And that is lavender that's going to go in. Plant it in well-drained soil, and it likes limestone. Another friend told me to plant it in the worst possible soil you could find. It's not clay. And this is a really good mix of dirt and limestone. Limestone dust, dense grade that has limestone dust in it. So these are what's going to go in the ground. They'll get spaced about 3 feet apart on center, and we're going to stick a weed barrier down. And this is called what? Phenomenal. Phenomenal lavender. So let's get at it. Have it. They're in the ground, and now you don't water for at least 2 weeks. These are just spaced out evenly. We don't have a lot, so we don't have to crowd them, give them room. But now I'll have to get some 57s, which is a white or really light colored limestone rock. like that. And we'll cover the weed barrier with that. And we will see how it does. Something new. So thanks for spending a little time with us. Appreciate it. We'll see you on the next video.